fix Call of Duty, Black Ops Cold War freezing issue on Windows. 1. Avoid PC overheating. 2. Update your graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Disable full screen optimizations in COD Black Ops Cold War application properties. And, enable override high DPI scaling behavior and choose application from the drop-down menu under change high DPI settings. Like this. 4. Scan and repair corrupted game files in Blizzard Client. 5. Lower the in-game graphics settings, according to your hardware specs.